Today we're at the Interaction Design Day. It's really exciting that we get to discuss all these really important issues within the design community and share what's working and how we can get better.
Estos eventos así mundiales nos dan la oportunidad de juntar dos mundos, ¿no? El mundo de los diseñadores, el mundo de la construcción de la tecnología.
信用と責任ということをテーマにいろいろな企業であったり個人の方が集まってディスカッションであったり話を聞きに来たりするっていうのが起こっている感じですね。
It's good to be able to have these physical times together, to be able to share ideas, share questions.
The key takeaway that I had was to be mindful of the people behind what we're trying to make.
Is change the way that I'm going to approach my design.
Events like these are great because it brings the community together and it helps to foster conversations about trust and responsibility that we should actually be talking about a lot more often.
すごい楽しかったです。
Well, at the end of the day, we make decisions based on the experience of technology rather than the technology. And this is an opportunity for designers to optimize products, help us do things, help businesses grow. People need to be informed in the choices that they make, and that's ultimately in the hands of the designer.
It's this exchange of dialogues that is really critical to making and fulfilling a better promise for tomorrow.
Today is a day to really reflect on interaction design, how far it's come, where it needs to go yet, its impact on the world at large. It's a great moment for the design industry just to take stock in what we do and what we can be doing.